Hi guys, April with 1. Here's the doggies. Again. Missy. Hi Missy. Hi Missy. Hi Missy. Extreme close up. Sammy is eating. See him. He's a weirdo when he eats. They're eating. And where are you guys going? I'm gonna try feeding putting water in this thing while holding you guys, because the last video I made I dropped my camera from here, his ledge, down to there, and I think it hit that concrete, so it kind of messed up kind of scratched some of my buttons on my thing, and my camera's kind of screwed up now. But I'm gonna try to hold you while eating that. I gotta do this. I might have to somehow put you guys somewhere so I can do this. Yeah. Try this way. You guys can't move, okay? Please don't move. I want to see my brother. Right there. Let me see if I can get him. That's my brother. Right there. Shooting out the window. he's shooting a BB gun, guys. Don't worry, it's not a real gun. It's a BB gun. All kids have them. All kids have them nowadays. Duh. Everybody that lives out in the boondocks or whatever have one. Okay, you guys ready to go? Help me feed the rabbit? Alright. Give the rabbit some more. Okay. Sorry, my nails. Guys. That's Sammy trying to get me to give him some attention. Or he sees his daddy. Okay. Oh, where you guys going? This is very difficult. Sammy, knock it off! And that is me yelling at the dog. Okay, woo, where you guys going? Sammy, shut up! I have to yell at him sometimes. Okay, so yeah. That's the rabbit. Oh, you guys didn't see the rabbit. They fed the rabbit, but didn't feed. See, there's the rabbit. Keep feeling like there's the rabbit. He's so cute when he eats. Extreme close up. Okay, so we just rearranged the living room. Baby's asleep. Easton, the baby's asleep. It's my brother Dale Easton. Dale Easton. But no, they're all asleep. He's asleep. I gave him a bottle and he fell right to sleep. My brother's name, Dale Easton Lazon. That's why I said Easton, because that's what I usually call him, is Easton. But no, Dale Easton Lazon. My brother, it's right there. My brother, right there. What are you shooting at? Wave to the camera. It's my weird brother. Hi, Sammy. Sorry, my brother's dog wants some attention, so here you go.